Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw the face of a lion from the front side. As you see, we can start drawing from the top part and we can draw the hair first. So it's the middle part for the lion. You can draw the outlines for the hairs from the face. Alright. So the hairs, it has long and tall beards like we see with the people too. It's called the king of the jungle. So the basic outlines for the lions looks like this. After we put the basic outlines, then we'll go for the details. You can see here that we're putting all the lines for the basic shapes. Now it's in the middle. The hairs or the beard, I don't know, lots of things, lots of hair in its face. You can see from the side like this, growing. So these are the basic outlines. If the outlines is fine, then it's good. All right. Now we can put two eyes like this, one on the left side the eyes like here looks like this, and another eye like this. On the right side, let's put another eye. Alright, so it has a long nose. As you know, it runs like this. In the middle, we can put a shape like a nose, and from the nose, we can draw an outline in the middle. It comes straight up to here, and let's draw two lines, one to the right side and another to the left side. So you can see that the face of the lion is getting visible. So the basic shapes, as you see. Alright, let's put a curve here like this, and another curve like this. It comes at the end of this part, and put the curve here like this. Okay, so then we put the extension like it. So basic shape of the lion is like this. Then put the extensions of the hair like this. Alright, so this is the face or the front part. The hairy part of the face, you can go for more details like me and draw like this. Also one like this one, the same thing, it's like the mirror of that one. So on this size too, put lots of hair as you do like me. Okay, beside the nose, put the shades like this. Also put shades in this side like this. Alright, lots of drawing stuffs like this. It's all about shades and the visualizations, how we draw, how we progress, that impacts the quality of the picture. We are doing the details of the nose here. In the middle of the nose, let's put the depth of the shades so the darkness increases in the middle. Let's put lots of dots here like this. Also few dots here. Okay, we can put the shades on this way to the inwards strokes. So all the strokes, put the strokes inwards like this. Beginning from the border, strokes will be inwards. Put some depth like me. Also from this side, same thing as the mirror. Puts lots of strokes and strokes will be inwards. The more depth and the hard strokes at the border and the lighter strokes in the middle. And continue along the border. And from here, let's put the strokes like this. Okay. We can use the pencil now. Alright. Let's put the shades in a little depth, as you see, like this. So lots of strokes alongside the outlines. Okay. The more lines we draw, the more it becomes the lively appearance. See, for the hair, we need lots of strokes like this. Let's put lots of strokes here to the side of the face. Let's put the darker shade for the lines here. Alright, so the hairs are getting the depth in this sector. The guy is playing YouTube on the other part, that's why the sound and noise is coming inside the drawing. Alright. So this is the shades we can put here in the middle. Also a few shades here. Let's put the strokes like this. Along the nose, let's draw the lines like this. Okay. So the darker shade in the middle. Few strokes for the bottom part here. And the shades continue to like this. Alright, we can draw the few details like here, the sketch. So it's a lots of line as you can see from the whole drawing. Okay, so it's almost done. Few lines here. Alright, so this is the front face of the lion as you see from the drawing. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Stay with the channel of drawing channel, Blue Hand Drawings. Next we are going to draw more interesting things. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.